So this is the beautiful A Hope Garden 10 pods hydroponics garden system growing indoor. We're in New York, Long Island, New York, and this is deep fall time. And this is a small, best budget, affordable. Plus, check in the description box for discount code so you do not pay full price. But you could see this is a pepper plant. We have here is beautiful pak choy. We have fresh lettuce. I mean, everything is fresh. We have beautiful kale, more pak choy, and look at the bouquet of lettuce back there. Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Happy holidays there, everybody. And this here is from A Hope Garden, a beautiful 10-pod smart hydroponics garden system. You could grow fresh vegetables or herbs all year long right in your home. You don't have a backyard or you don't have space. This is something you need. It's very small. This been about a month, literally no kind of effort to grow. The main thing with hydroponics garden system, you don't want it grow, you don't want everything to overgrown, because if it's overgrown, you have less room. It's a small system, so the more we harvest, the more we get, the more better we're gonna get some airflow. And you can see there's no bugs, there's no pests, there's no soil, there's no kind of mess or anything going on. So when it comes down to hydroponics garden system, you want to make sure you get like a scissors or a pruner. This is pak choy. You want to harvest pak choy between 3 to 6 inches. Look, you see all that? So what are we going to do with the pak choy? Do not cut your plants like that. No, we're going to cut the outer side. We're going to cut the outer leaves, removing the outer leaves real quick. So listen, you know I'm a big fan of outdoor garden. I love my soil no matter what. I love to get my hands dirty. But this is an amazing indoor garden system, and you know, it keeps us busy and it keeps providing fresh vegetables right in our home throughout the whole winter season here. In Long Island, New York, it gets really cold, and the winter is it takes months. So instead of not doing anything, like this beautiful kale, instead of not doing anything or not having anything, instead of going to the store, you could grow your own stuff right indoor. And it's great for family. It's great for the kids. This is a learning experience, and it's so much fun, especially as a holiday time right now. Look at this beautiful Lola Rosa lettuce. And it tastes almost the same like growing outdoor. And I gotta tell you, for Christmas time, this makes a perfect gift because it's amazing. It's cheap, it's easy, and it's a healthy, beautiful gift to give anyone right now. Check in the description box below. I will leave a special discount code just for you guys because of the holiday. And before I go on, don't forget, check out my previous video. Enter the contest to get a chance to win a free raised garden bed. So with lettuce, you could harvest anywhere from 3 inches to even to 2 inches. Depends what you want. Harvest the outside. I do not cut the whole plant. Once you harvest from the outside, the plant will use more energy growing the leaves, the smaller leaves, much faster, so you could get a faster harvest. So right here you can see, look at this beautiful bouquet of lettuce right here. And we're gonna come and cut all the way at the bottom. Listen, you cannot go wrong. You don't need a green thumb. You don't need garden experience if you want to try an hydroponic system. A hydroponic system is water-based. Look, see how the roots in there? And it's all water inside. It tells you right here the water level, so I need to add some more water. And right here too, you come right here and you add your liquid fertilizer, a couple drops in there, and it's beautiful. How can you go wrong with fresh vegetables? Beautiful harvest right here, and you can see how everything is. So by removing the outer big leaves, now the plant doesn't have to provide energy to these fully grown leaves already, which we could eat. Now the plant's going to use more energy to the smaller one, giving us a faster harvest. Within like 4 or 5 days, we're going to get another beautiful round of harvest. And if we keep this up, it will continue providing until the plant is bolted or overgrown and end of the cycle. But you could see how excited, I'm telling you, I am really excited. This is amazing, fresh stuff. It's always good. That's how easy it is to grow with hydroponics garden system. You really don't have to do much stuff. The only thing you have to do is always check on the water. You have to refill the water, add the fertilizer once a week maybe, and just harvest on time and enjoy fresh vegetables right at home. And you could grow tons of different herbs, vegetables, and even flowers and stuff right indoor. And I gotta tell you, A Hope Garden, this is my second system with them, and they do grow well and produce well, and it's really good price. I just wanted to wish everybody a happy holiday and hope you're all not stressing too much like I am, because when you have kids, you have to stress because they want every single thing and we cannot afford it. So Christmas time, it's always a stressful time, but it's also a wonderful time. You spend the time with the family. Before I go, any question, comment below. I will do answer your question, and I appreciate everyone who's still hanging out with Green Tea Garden in the winter, fall time, even though you're not gardening.